Hi guys, this is Rina Govender of Passing It On, a culinary legacy for the next generation. Today I have with me a young gentleman, Liam Govender. Liam, thank you for coming onto the show. So a little about yourself, Liam. What grade are you in?
I'm in grade 3.
And tell me, what's your hobbies? What do you like to do?
I like to cook and bake.
Okay. In fact, his mom is an extremely good cook with fish curry. She makes one of the most tastiest fish curry, and he's also the son of Mervyn Govender and Passing It On. He's done prawns before. The nephew of Kevin Govender, who's done fish cakes, and he's also the grandson of Sally Govender, who has done scones on Passing It On. So you can see he's in his blood. So today, Liam, what are we going to make?
We are going to make a chocolate Oreo milkshake.
Okay, that's interesting. So stay tuned for the ingredients. Okay, so Liam, for the ingredients, you want to tell the viewers what we have?
So we have a blender,
Yes.
fresh cream,
Mm-hmm.
some milk,
Okay.
a glass, ice cream, and Oreos.
Okay, so that's a simple Oreo milkshake. So stay tuned even as Liam shows us how to put it together. Okay, so Liam, what are we doing now?
So you have to set up your blender.
Okay,
You're going to take about 4 Oreos.
okay. We're gonna break that?
Yeah.
All right.
Just take 4 out.
So you can actually use the other flavors as well. I think there's cappuccino.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me help you with that as well. So we're just gonna break that in, eh? Okay. Okay. Then next step, what we're gonna have
So
to
the
add?
next step,
A
we're
milk.
going to pour the milk, like about a quarter cup.
Okay. So you do this a lot at home, Liam?
Yes.
Okay. So that's ready. Gonna pour into that. Okay, you can do that. All right. So the next step,
So the next step is you have to,
ice cream.
yeah, ice cream.
So we're gonna add vanilla ice cream. You can have strawberries if you're having a strawberry shake.
Or like a chocolate ice
Yes. Okay.
cream.
So we're gonna put 2 scoops of that.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I'll just wipe that for you. It's fine. It's fine. All right. So the next, how many scoops is that, Leah?
That could be one, but I think that's enough.
That's enough. All right. So we're just going to leave this aside.
Yeah.
Now, guys, kids out there, you can't use something like this. So when you coming to this step,
You
you
need
have to.
parental guidance.
Yes, you do that. So we're going to put it all up. So Liam, you want to put it there?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so that's ready. You want to press the button? Okay. That looks nice. So that's ready. Okay, so stay tuned even as we unbottle this. Okay, so Liam, I think it's ready. You want to take that off?
Yep.
Okay, you're going to open that a bit. Okay, let me help you with that since it's got a sharp
Yeah.
end to it. Okay, so you want to pour it into?
So we're gonna pour it into a fancy glass.
Okay, that looks absolutely yummy, Liam. All right, and to that we're going to?
So you can add any decorations you want.
Mm-hmm.
We're just using whipped cream.
You want to shake that cream before we use that? Yeah. Okay. Let me help you with that. You need my strength, Liam. Let me.
Okay.
Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. You want to put more?
Yep.
Okay. You can never ever put less cream.
God, this was easy.
Okay, this looks absolutely divine. So you're not going to put any additions to this? We're just going to have it like this?
Yeah.
Okay. So from us as Passing It On, thank you, Mr. Liam Govender. our young gentlemen for coming onto passing it on and sharing us your Oreo recipe. As you can see, it's quite simple and it's a good treat for the kids as well. So remember, even as you go into the week ahead, eating is a necessity, but cooking it is an art. So make sure you pass it on to the next generation. From me and Liam Govender, what we're going to say, Liam? Take care.
Take care.